I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today we have a grand chicken burger. If you're wondering why I'm shooting video in such a loud, noisy place, I'm doing a mic check. This is a Road Wireless Go noisy environment test. Okay, burger time. I love McDonald's, and this is new. This is a kind of a smoky. It's undescribable. It's a smoky sauce with salad. Basically, it's a big, not grilled chicken. It's a big McChicken sandwich. There you go. So it's not a grilled McChicken, but it's a big McChicken sandwich with actually texture-wise, I think it's grilled differently because it's kind of drier by touch than a grilled chicken sandwich. It looks much nicer. Oh, damn it heavy. Okay, it's drier in a good way than a McChicken sandwich, and it's not as greasy as a McChicken Deluxe. You got cheese, you got juice. I don't know. They're good. Buy it now. Subscribe.